So hi, lights, there you go. This will be a DIY video involving this. Actually this is 100 megabits TP-Link. As you can see, I actually have a server in here and way better switch. So this one is useless. But friend gave me an idea, and the idea is I have a shitload of these which take up a lot of space. So what I will be doing is actually mounting this thing to this thing. There are 8 ports and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. So I will have actually one extra space. So let me give you an idea. You just need to turn on the lighting. Perfect. So I actually need yeah, this thing. This is okay, almost fell. This is full of network equipment. I do not need this thing. Oh bloody hell. Yeah. But I do need this thing. Oh, awesome. And I need this thing. So basically this two, and I do need the cable. I need these pliers for crimping. This thing will be awesome. Now to be fair, I won't be destroying the switch because you know, you never know if I might need it eventually. Now the idea is as follows. This thing plus this, which is a double-sided tape. So although to be honest, this is not that good brand, so I'll be using a bit more of this. So I will be actually placing this double-sided tape to this side and not to this, and I'll show you the reason after I actually install this thing. Now this tape is a Chinese knockoff and it is not that good. That is why I will be using a bit more of it. I actually had the Bison one, which is awesome, but I have no clue where it is. So yeah. Okay. Double-sided tape is actually placed. Alrighty. Now let's install this thing. Good enough. So, part 1. Bloody hell. Part 1 complete. So, yeah. You know what? Yeah, something like this. So even though this thing is a bit too long, it will be okay, I guess. So I maybe need something like this. Okay. 2, 3, and 4. Let's remove this thing. Awesome. Okay. Okay. So I do not need these plastics, obviously. So I need actually 7 of those, not 8. Oh well. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's use the green ones. It's actually way harder to install this thing than one might think. I might need to trim this thing a bit. Okay. And now let's go through the hole in the screwdriver. Because why not? And I'll shorten this thing like, let's say like this. This is actually way harder than I thought that it will be, you know. Yeah, because these 4 actually go pretty easily in, and the other ones they don't. Okay. So awesome. Now let's try and see what happened. So yeah, first one is complete. So now that everything is done, we actually get something like this. Shitload of these. So let's test them, you know. I think this thing will be awesome. So first of all, the thickest one. And the reason why I actually turned the switch the other way around is because of this, so that I can just press it when I want to, well, remove it. As you can see, it's working perfectly. How awesome is this? Okay. And just because it is going to get a little crowded, let's, for example, stack them like this. And there you go. How awesome is this? So yeah. And you can obviously use this thing to, hold memories and whatnot. And this is 100 megabit switch, so yeah, I won't be using this thing. Well, anyway, so a friend gave me this idea, and this is awesome. Until the next time, if you like this video, you know what to do. If you don't, you know also what to do. Well, subscription would be nice. Cheers, bye bye.